How to recover deleted channel in Telegram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can recover deleted channels in your Telegram. So let's dive right into it. First, open up your Telegram. Now let's say this is the one that I want to leave first. So I'll just leave this channel, that is delete this channel from my chats. As you can see, it says you left the channel in 0. So now I'm just done. So now what you need to do is to recover that chat or to get back into that channel. All you need to do is head over to the search bar and then search for the name of that very channel. Now you can go to the channel section first and then search for it. Now the one that channel was called this, so I'm just searching for that, and as you can see, I found it right now. So simply head over there and tap on join, and now you have basically joined the channel back again. Now as you can see right here, it's back in your chats section, and that is how you recover deleted channels. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for this video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.